Now, class 9, let's continue with the chapter 2, The Old Man at the Bridge. So, the old man said that I was just looking after my animals. So, the writer or the narrator, he shook his head. I was watching the bridge and the African looking country of the Ebro Delta and wondering how long now it would be before we would see the enemy, and listening all the while for the first noises that would signal that ever mysterious event called contact. And the old man still sat there. The narrator was just having a duty. He was just looking after the bridge. He was watching that the African looking country of the Ebro Delta, and he was wondering how long now it would the how long the time would take that the enemy would be seen here, and listening all the while for the first noises. And he was just trying to listen the first noises. Maybe at any time enemy can come over there, and the kind of a mysterious signal they will see, an event called contact. And the old man still sat there. He was just looking all these things and thinking, but still the old man was sitting there. What animals were they? I asked. The narrator asked, what were the animals you were looking after? There were three animals altogether. He explained that he had three animals. There were two goats and one cat, and then there were four pairs of pigeons also. And you had to leave them? I asked. I asked that you had to leave all of them. Yes, because of the artillery. The captain told me to go because of the artillery. Because see, that time was a precautionary time that the see, just because of this artillery, just because of this war, they had to evacuate that place. They have to leave that place. That he says that captain told me that we have to leave this place quickly, so I had to leave my animals also there. And you have no family? I asked, watching the far end of the bridge where a few last carts were hurrying down the slope of the bank. So he asked, narrator asked, you do not have any family, even though he was just looking after the far end of the bridge also, that only some carts were going hurriedly down to the slope of the bank, because he was just covering the news of the people, he was covering the news of the enemy as well, and he was just talking to the old man as well. No, he said, only the animal. I stated, the cat, of course, will be all right. A cat can look out for itself, but I cannot think that what will become of the others. So the old man said, I do not have family except these animals, and I am not worried about my cat, because cat can look after itself, but what would happen to my other animals, just like the pigeon and especially the goat. Here in this story, the writer has used many symbols. Here, the cat is just showing the freedom. The cat can go anywhere, and the goats are just showing the symbol of the slavery. The goats, they are timid. The goats cannot go anywhere just because of their cowardness. So they are showing the symbol of slavery, and cat is for the freedom. What politics have you? I asked. I am without politics. I asked him what kind of a work you do. He said, I am without politics. He said, I am 76 years old and I have come 12 kilometers now, and I think now I can go no further. He said, I am 76 years old. Now I have just crossed 12 kilometers. Now I don't think I can go further. This is not a good place to stop, I said. If you can make it, there are trucks up the road where it forks for Tortosa. So the narrator informed him that this is not the good place to just stop here. So he might be hurt, he might be injured by the enemy if they attack this place. So he said the trucks are just going to Tortosa. Tortosa is the safe place. There you can just take a lift from any of the truck and you can just go there. But you should not stop here. I will wait a while, he said, and then I will go. Where do the trucks go? He said, I will wait for some time and then I'll go wherever the trucks will go. Towards Barcelona, I told him. He said, trucks are just going to the Barcelona. Barcelona is the city in Barcelona is the city in Spain. I know no one in that direction, he said, but thank you very much. I thank you again very much. The old man said, I know no one in that direction. No truck is just going in that direction, but thank you very much for your concern. He looked at me very blankly and tiredly, then said, having to share his worry with someone, the cat will be all right, I am sure. There is no need to be unquiet about the cat, but the others, now what do you think about the others? So he was having so much worry, he just wanted to share his worry with me. He said, I am worried about my other animals. Cat can be quite well, but what do you think, what would happen with my other animals? Why, they'll be probably come through, it's all right. So the narrator said, why probably they will be also all right? The old man just wanted a guarantee from the narrator that his other animals are also in good condition. So he said, you think so? Why not? I said. Narrator said, watching the far bank where now there were no carts, but he was just looking after all the carts and he has to cover the news. He said, why not? They'll be all right also. But what will they do under the artillery when I was told to leave because of the artillery? So the old man said, just because of this artillery, just because of this all war conditions, I had to leave that place, evacuate that place. What would you think, what would happen with my other animals? Did you leave the dove caged unlocked? I asked, did you leave that dove caged unlocked? So dove caged means, the in the starting he said that these were the pigeons, but maybe he has just confused. The narrator thought that these are the dove are also the birds. So he asked, you have just unlocked the dove cage. See, if the dove cage, if the birds caged are unlocked, so that they can just fly away, this way they can save their life. Yes, the old man said, yes. Then they will fly away. Narrator said, yes, certainly they will fly, but the other, it's better not to think about the others, he said. He was thinking about the other animals also, and again he said, I should not just think about the others. If you are rested, I would go. I urged, get up and try to walk now. The narrator requested to him, you can just get up. If you just want to rest, you go and just take a rest somewhere else. This is not the safe place. That's why he said this. The old man said, thank you, he said, and got to his feet, swayed from side to side, and then sat down backward in the dust. He was chattering, the old man was chattering, and he just walked side by side. He walked a little, and then again he just sat into the dust. I was taking care of animal, he said dully, but no longer to me. I was only taking care of animal. Even though he was too much worried about his animal, he was just talking to himself only. He said, I was taking care of my animals. He was very dull. His voice was very dull. There was nothing to do about him. It was Easter Sunday, and the fascists were advancing toward the Hebrew. It was a grey, overcast day. The narrator is just giving a kind of a irony here, contrast here. That was the Easter Sunday. You know, Easter Sunday is supposed to be the rebirth of the Jesus Christ. The Christians, they celebrate this day as as a celebration. They celebrate. So on at the one side, people were just celebrating this day. On the other side, these kind of people, those who are suffering without any reason, they did nothing, and they did no kind of a politics, even though they are suffering. So the narrator has just given a symbol here, the gray overcast day. Gray overcast day, just the like a dark day with a low ceiling, so their planes were not up. So he thought, the narrator look above the sky, and he thought that it is a dark cloudy day. So the if the planes would be there, the fighting planes will be there, though they cannot attack this because it's dark sky today. The darkness, the gray, the dust, these all shows the symbol of the sadness and grief. That, and the fact that cats know how to look after themselves, was all the good luck that old man would ever have. That is all about the old man. He was having worried, he was feeling gloomy, and there was a one ray of hope in his mind or heart that cat can look after himself only, but his other animals can be died. Just see, the cat is representing the freedom here, and the other animals, they just shows the kind of a sufferer, and they are just shown as a sign of misery symbol, and the grief symbol.